Hi there, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will extend my conversation about while loop, which I showed you how you can create it in the last video. Here we will create the while loop again, but this time we will specify some conditions. So what I have a variable over here which is n equals to 20. I want to go backward and see how many even values and odd values which are present between 1 and 20. Alright, so if I go and execute this, and I will say while n is not equals to 0, not equals to 0, put a colon and then come down. Now I will specify the condition if n %2, that means the remainder, if I divide n by 20, if it is remainder equals to 0, that means it is an even number, then print it is an even number, right? Or what you can do is you can say n comma it is an even number. After that we'll say else print n comma it, I'll just close that, it is an odd number, and after that simply say n is equals to n minus 1, right? So if I go and execute that, it will keep on printing 20 is an even number, 19 is an odd number, 18 is an even number. So whenever it is finding that condition true, it is writing or processing that operation which I have specified. So now you can see how you can extend the power of looping and conditional statement by combining them for your business logic or operation which you want to specify and get the desired output or automate the desired output. So that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about the combination of condition statement and while loop by adding conditions to while loop, and I hope you have found it useful.